Okay, I want to take a second and talk real quickly about surface area on a rectangular prism. We're going to start out with our surface area formula, and that's 2 times the area of the base plus the perimeter of the base times the height. So here I have a little rectangular prism over here. I need to start out by identifying my base. I'm going to make this end rectangle my base. So if I'm looking at my dimensions, I can see the 2 back here, which means that this side is 2. So if I'm going to set this up, I'm going to write it out, and I'm going to say my surface area is 2 times base times height, because that's how I find the area of a rectangle, times the perimeter, which is really just going to be 2 times the length plus 2 times the width times the height. So now I can come in and start filling in my numbers. I needed to identify my base because that's going to be important for this second step right here. So now let's come in, let's fill in some numbers. I have 2, and I'm looking at, again, this rectangle that I have shaded in orange, and that's going to be 2 times 3, plus, now if I'm looking at the perimeter of the base, the same base, I need 2 times the length, which I'm going to call 2 times 3, plus 2 times the width, which I'm going to say is 2 times 2. And then I need to multiply it by the height. It's important to know here the height is the height of the prism. That's the distance that connects my 2 bases. So that's going to be a height of 4. So now I'm ready to do some multiplication here. Oh, I forgot that parentheses. So let's simplify some things out. So I'm going to say my surface area is 2 times 6, because 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 times 2, which is 4, and that gives me 4. So let's go another step further here. 2 times 6 is going to give me 12, plus 6 plus 4, which is 10, still in parentheses, times 4, because I got one more step to do there. Now we'll do my multiplication, and it gives me 40, following my order of operations, and I have a surface area of 52 feet squared. So this would tell me if I was going to wrap this box with wrapping paper, or if I was going to make a box out of cardboard with these dimensions. This would be how much cardboard or how much wrapping paper I would need to cover that entire surface area.